Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing FIFA 24 freezing during matches on your PS5. Start by powering off your PS5 completely, not rest mode. Once the PS5 light turns off, unplug the power cable from the back of the PS5. Leave the PS5 disconnected for 30 seconds to fully discharge. Now plug the PS5 power cable back in firmly to ensure a stable connection. Turn on the PS5 and launch FIFA 24 to check if the freeze still happens. If the PS5 still freezes, close the game fully from the PS5 controls center. Go to the PS5 settings and scroll down to save data and games/app settings. Select FIFA 24 and clear the PS5 game cache by deleting temporary files. This does not remove your PS5 game progress. Now return to the PS5 home screen and restart the console. If FIFA 24 continues freezing, check your PS5 storage space. Open PS5 storage settings and verify you have at least 20 GB free. If the PS5 is nearly full, delete unused games or clips. Now turn off the PS5 again so we can check the cooling and ventilation. Unplug all cables from the PS5 including HDMI and power. Place the PS5 upright and gently remove dust from the vents using a soft brush. Clean the PS5 air intake areas without opening the console. Reconnect the PS5 cables and power it back on. Launch FIFA 24 again to see if the freezing issue is reduced. If the PS5 still freezes, we need to rebuild the database. Turn the PS5 off completely once more. Hold the PS5 power button until you hear the second beep. This boots the PS5 into safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller with a USB cable. Select option 5, Rebuild Database on the PS5 Safe Mode menu. Allow the PS5 to complete the rebuild process. Once the PS5 restarts, open FIFA 24 again and test a match. If freezing still occurs, update your PS5 system software. Go to PS5 settings and open System Software Update. Install any PS5 updates that appear. Also check for FIFA 24 updates from the PS5 Game Options menu. After updating both, restart your PS5. Now run a FIFA 24 match and look for improved performance. If the issue persists, check your PS5 performance mode settings. Head into PS5 Save Data and Games/App Settings Game Presets. Set your PS5 to performance mode instead of resolution mode. This helps reduce freezing during FIFA 24 gameplay on PS5. Test another FIFA 24 match on your PS5. If freezing still occurs, we'll check PS5 HDMI stability. Power off the PS5 and disconnect the HDMI cable. Clean the PS5 HDMI port gently with compressed air. Reconnect a high-quality HDMI cable to the PS5. Power the PS5 back on and start FIFA 24. If your PS5 still freezes, perform a PS5 clear cache from safe mode. Turn off the PS5 and hold the power button for safe mode again. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database on the PS5 menu. Let the PS5 restart and load normally. Launch FIFA 24 once more to confirm the freezing is fixed. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy smooth FIFA 24 gameplay on your PS5.